Unboxing the Volt RGBCW LED wall washer light bar, a powerful 75-watt fixture designed for seamless, uniform wall washing in landscapes, HOA applications, and outdoor living spaces. This high-output light delivers vibrant, color-changing illumination with no gaps or overlaps. Featuring a 180-degree rotatable design, it's perfect for both uplighting and downlighting on walls, fences, hardscapes, and signage. Built with a durable IP65 rated aluminum housing and an onyx finish, it withstands harsh outdoor conditions while blending into any landscape. Easily control colors and brightness with the Volt RGBCW RF remote control, sold separately. For installation, wire directly into a transformer to prevent overloading. Ideal for energy-efficient low-voltage systems. Backed by a hassle-free 5-year warranty, the Volt Wall Washer Light Bar delivers professional-grade performance for stunning outdoor illumination.